How to use the summary page for leaves in UpRaise. This feature is available in the UpRaise for Employee Garrison and UpRaise People apps for Jira. On my screen here, I've opened up the leaves or time off or vacation, whatever your configuration is, screen, and in there, I've landed on the summary tab. There are 4 sections on this tab. First one is the leave balance section. Second one, you have upcoming holidays. Third one, you have the leaves availed or time off availed in the 6 months graph. And then you have your work week. Let's understand these sections one by one. First, leave balance or time off balance. By default, you will see such a visual representation of the leave balance that you have at the moment, you as in the logged in user. You can notice that for the logged in user, the leave balance is 0 across all the 3 types. And what type of leave it is, that is mentioned through this name. Whether it is a paid or unpaid leave, that is also indicated. And then maximum carryover configuration is displayed in here. If I were to change this to details, I'll see the breakup of that balance calculation. You'll notice there was no activity around leave without pay. There was one comp off that was credited and one comp off that was debited. For casual leaves, 22 leaves were accrued and 22 were already availed. Imagine a situation where 22 leaves were accrued, but out of them maybe 15 were availed, 2 were scheduled, and remaining was the balance that was visible under available. So at different points in time, you will see the breakup of the balance based on all of these different activities. Mind you, this data is always going to belong to a time frame dictated by your renewal policy, renewal date in the leave policy. In our case, the renewal date is 1st of April. So this always shows the current active cycle dates. So it is from 1st of April 2022 to 31st of March 2023. As soon as we move into the next cycle, it will start from 1st of April 2023 right up until 31st of March 2024. So that's how you utilize the balance. Moving over to the upcoming holidays, these are getting populated based on the logged in user's current holiday scheme. What it does is it applies default filters from the current date up until the next year. So all the holidays in the next 12 months, or rather in the next 1 year, are displayed in here. Fairly straightforward, nothing complicated. If you are not associated with a holiday scheme, there will be a different warning message displayed and you won't see any holidays. You can change the filters and even look at some of the holidays that have already passed. So you'll notice now it is starting to display the day, holidays from 26th Jan as well. Moving over to the time off availed or leaves availed. This is nothing but a visual representation of the leaves that were taken by the logged in user in the last 6 months. So you'll notice in October, the logged in user availed 1 casual leave. In November, there was not a single leave that they availed. Then there were 3.5 casual leaves in December and so on. So for this user, the data is only surrounding casual leaves, but in your production instance, the data might include different types of leave types. Moving over, you have the last section, which talks about the work week scheme. And it's nothing but the definition of working hours and working days for the logged in user. Again, similar to the holiday scheme, if the logged in user is not associated with a work week scheme, they would see an error message, a warning message, instead of this small table. So this is the summary tab for leaves in a nutshell. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.